A very good day to all of you. Welcome to Tashu Tech channel. CBSE has released a circular recently regarding Swachhta Hi Seva campaign 2024. This campaign will be celebrated from 14th of September to 2nd of October 2024 with the theme of Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta. Focus of this campaign will be on clearing of dirty and difficult garbage spots, that is black spots. Recognize the contribution of sanitation workers, celebrate the achievements over the past decade, and also reaffirm our commitment to Sampoorna Swachhta. It has been decided by the Government of India to observe Swachhta Hi Seva campaign 2024 in all the schools across the country. There is a list of suggestive activities as well. Swachhta Shapath by the students and teachers on Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta. Cleanliness drive in the schools, hostels and educational institutions to remove the garbage or waste with the help of teachers. Essay, poem, debate, slogan writing, quiz and painting competitions will be on Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta. Importance of waste management and elimination of single-use plastic, etc. A selfie point may be installed at the entry points of the schools on the theme of Swachhta Hi Seva, encouraging engagement of students, teachers, school staff or parents to pride in cleanliness through interactive photo opportunities. Human chain event may be organized where students, teachers, people from the community join hands to raise awareness and demonstrate commitment to cleanliness and sanitation. Street play or Nukkad Natak may be performed in schools or nearby areas to educate and entertain while promoting cleanliness initiatives. Tree plantation of saplings in schools, hostels and educational institution areas on the lines of hugely popular Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign. Awareness rallies, Prabhat Feri with students, teachers, school staffs with slogans on Swachhta Hi Seva and Swabhav Swachhta, Sanskar Swachhta theme to create awareness in the community. School level cultural events can be organized promoting the sanitation journey of the country. Swachhta classes, Swachhta Ki Pathshala, Swachhta Samvad, educational session, workshop for students, teachers about cleanliness, sanitation and hygiene practices can be organized. A health checkup camp may be organized for Safai Mitra, sanitation workers and their dependents at block or district level. All these activities are suggestive in nature to celebrate Swachhta Hi Seva campaign in schools. In this circular, the guidelines are also given for Swachhta Hi Seva campaign. This year also marks the 10th anniversary of the launch of Swachh Bharat Mission, making this campaign even more significant. As the part of Swachhta Hi Seva 2024, 3 pillars of activities are requested to carried out by all. Swachhta Ki Bhagidari, Sampoorna Swachhta including Swachhta Lakshit Ikai and Safai Mitra Suraksha Shivir. Many activities are given in these 3 pillars. All are requested kindly organize all the activities which are possible in the school premises. That's all from this video. Thank you very much.